Hi there, I've just arrived in Da Nang and I'm staying at Thai House, which is a fantastic condo apartment. It's got everything you could possibly want. My requirements were elevator, fast internet, swimming pool, near the beach, kitchenette. It's got everything that I wanted, and it's like brand new, and the staff are very, very helpful and so nice. The beach is about, you really need to be either using Grab, which is the Uber here, or you need to have a scooter. I've rented a scooter on a monthly basis, and I'll put the link in later on. The beach is about, well, 2 minutes away on a scooter and probably 5 minutes walking. Give you some idea of what you need to do. When you come out of Thai House, you're in a sort of an alleyway, a very quiet residential area. You come out the front door, you turn left, you go to the end of the alley, it's about 150 yards, take a right. Then you come to a road. If you take a left there, within 20 yards you're on the main beach road, and whichever way you go, either left or right there, the beach goes on for freaking like 30 miles. You can go north or you can go south to Hoi An. I mean, there's just beach everywhere. What else are we saying? Right, when you get to that main road, just if you take a right, there's a beautiful French bakery there with sandwiches, baguettes, quiche, steak and chips. That's called Bon Appetit. And then next to Bon Appetit, just about another 10 or 15 yards further on, you've got Dirty Fingers, which is a sports bar. And then next to that you've got a lovely, beautiful Vietnamese restaurant. I've just been in there today to get some soup, and it's just very busy though, very busy. Dirty Fingers, you can get all the food you want, all the beer you want. They've got live music there. So all this is within a couple of minutes from Thai House. And you know, you've got the centre of, I mean, I'm not interested in going to the centre of Da Nang. I'm only interested in the beach, the swimming pool. I actually work at night. I trade online, so I'm trading online New York time, so I start work at 8:30. Anyway, everything's good. So I've told you about Dirty Fingers, I've told you about Bon Appetit. The Thai House also do a fantastic breakfast if you get up early. Unfortunately, I don't get up until 12 o'clock because I don't go to bed until 4 AM. I'm on USA time. Right, what else have you got? No, next to the pool, just to show you how they've actually got a toilet, comfort room and a shower near the pool, within about 10 feet from the pool. So you know, you can have, I mean, whoever's done this, there's plants everywhere. It's just so beautiful. What else have I missed? Oh, next to there's a supermarket next to Dirty Fingers, between Dirty Fingers and this French, not the French, the Vietnamese restaurant. Right, so you come out, I'll give you the directions. You just come out of the house, Thai House, turn left, go 20-30 yards, take a right. You come to a main road there. Well, not a main road, it's a sort of a secondary road. You take a left there, and within 20 yards you're on the main beach road, which is very busy. Now crossing that road as a pedestrian is a freaking nightmare. But scooter or Grab is the way you get around. And the best way to get Grab is you leave Thai House, walk up to that main beach road and sit in the chairs outside Bon Appetit, the bakery, and wait for the Grab to pick you up. There's taxis all over the place. Grab's the best because, you know, it's all fixed price. What else? Hoi An. Yeah, Hoi An's about a place definitely worth a visit. On a scooter it's about a 25-minute ride down the beach road. As soon as you get on the outskirts of Da Nang, it gets much quieter. And there's some really nice places down there that the beaches and everything. Unfortunately, they had a typhoon down there in November, which has made Right, so I'm going to finish this video now. Notice the pictures have stopped. Yep, so anyway, you can't beat this place. It's got everything you want. And well, oh yeah, what I did was I bought myself a toaster. Cost me £11, about $13. There's a hot plate, microwave, kettle, various chocolates and stuff and drinks in the fridge. The fridge is stocked up with drink for those people that are just coming for 1 or 2 days, 2 nights. I mean, when you look at the video, you can see that I'm here for a while because there's stuff everywhere, and because I'm a single guy, I like to see everything and not put it away. Then I don't bloody well trying to find it. Anyway, so there you go. That's Thai house, and highly recommended. I mean, it's one of the best places I've stayed at. Location, you can either use Facebook, Thai House Da Nang. I think Airbnb and Booking.com have got that. Akoda. Those are the 3 sites you can use. Facebook, I booked my room direct with on Facebook. I'm paying monthly $430 plus electric. Okay, that's it for now.